Hey, we're over here at gotomath.com. We are looking at some calculus. We're doing rules of differentiation, and this is the section here that we're in. It says find the derivative. So we have y is equal to cosecant x, and if it says find the derivative, we want to find y prime. So let's move over here where we can write this out. So we have y is equal to cosecant x, and when it says find the derivative, that means we want to find y prime. Now we're going to use this fact here that if we have y is equal to sine x, that y prime is equal to cosine x. And this is what we want to use right here. So this is one that you need to definitely memorize. Even though I'm going to say you need to memorize the derivative of cosecant x, but if we don't know what the derivative of this is, and all we know is this, well, that's okay. First thing I'm going to do here, though, is I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over sine x, and we'll go from there. Now, I just did secant x, and we took this up into the numerator and then took the derivative, but in this particular one, let's just use the quotient rule. How's that? Even though that's not the more efficient way of doing it, but we want to look at all avenues of approach. Now the quotient rule states that we want to take the derivative of the numerator, which is 0, derivative of 1 is 0, times the denominator minus the numerator times the derivative of sine x. So that's going to come from over here. Derivative of sine x is cosine x. So we'll write cosine x right here, and then it's all over the denominator squared. So we're going to square that, and we put the 2 there, notation. Okay, so now what we'll want to do is clean this thing up, and so 0 times sine x is 0, and so we're left with negative, you know what, let me scroll down the page here. Let's just do this right here. Y prime is equal to negative cosine x over sine squared x. Alright, we can actually rewrite this, and how about I just put an equal sign right here. We can rewrite this as negative cosine x over sine x times, and then this is 1 over sine x. Alright, so now this can be rewritten. Cosine x over sine x is a cotan x. Don't forget the minus out here, the negative sign, times, and then this can be rewritten as cosecant x. So there's the derivative that we were looking for, and that's really kind of one that you want to memorize. Alright, when you see this right here and it says, oh, find y prime, how about we just write it again right here, just for the heck of it. Okay, so this was key. This was something we had to know, that the derivative of sine x was cosine x, and then we could go from there if you don't know, if you haven't got that memorized. Alright, negative cotan, cosecant, negative cotan, that's it right there. There you go. Of course, if you hit the help button, I'm going to say this is a derivative that you must memorize. Alright, okay, well, head on over, if you're not already there, head on over to gotomath.com, and you can click up in here, send me a message if you want. You might even be able to chat with me live, and that's the section here that we're on. Alright.